have interrupted your regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. Civil authorities have issued the shelter-in-place warning for the following cities of Osceola County in Central Florida, including Celebration, Kissimmee, St. Cloud, Poinciana, Buenaventura Lakes, the Four Corners, Intercession City, Harmony, and Kenansville. Local residents have spotted creatures that look like men with bald heads, but their heads are much bigger. These creatures are also known to say the word "hi" all the time, and they are wearing blue or beige button-up denim shirts, blue jeans, and white identification patches. The reason behind this invasion is unknown, but civil authorities have confirmed that these creatures are called Flemmings. A Flemming is an extremely hyper-aggressive entity that is extremely hostile to humans. If you encounter this animal, it will start punching you. A Flemming cannot slap, kick, or bite. It can only punch. But its physical strength is highly dangerous. To protect your life, follow these instructions. Lock all exterior doors and windows immediately. Retreat to a central, windowless room or basement. Put all cell phones on silent mode. Avoid approaching or communicating with any entity. Do not respond if you hear the word "hi" outside. If a Flemming breaches your secure area, prioritize upper body defense. Keep your hands up to protect your head, neck, and face from direct punches. Do not attempt to negotiate or reason with the entity. If you are unable to escape, you should fight back by using your hands, a melee weapon, or a loaded firearm. Keep the outside of your home dark to avoid attracting entities. Cover all window panes and door gaps with heavy blankets or towels. Avoid peeking through blinds or curtains if you hear vocalizations nearby. Barricade weakened doors or broken windows with large, heavy objects. Remain seated or prone behind sturdy barriers to minimize your profile. Keep phone lines clear and reduce noise by texting your family instead of calling them. Remain hidden until local authorities broadcast an official termination code. Disregard repetitive talking, knocking, or mimicking sounds outside your secure room. We will now go over on how to fight the Flemming invasion. Aim for the throat, eyes, or lower body if you are forced to fight back. Use tight spaces or corners to restrict the entity's swinging radius. Utilize bats, pipes, or heavy tools to maintain distance from punches. Never drop your hands until the entity is completely immobilized. Monitor local media, the NOAA weather radio, or official law enforcement channels for further updates. Do not call emergency services unless you are facing an immediate, life-threatening emergency. This warning remains in effect until further notice. Take immediate shelter.